Welcome back to Country Boy Cooks, y'all. A while back I think it was my first video I done. It was on French toast and how I cook it. And a few videos after that, I done a video on homemade bread, how to make homemade bread without a bread machine. Since then, I had one of my subscribers, one of you guys, sent me a message that said, wouldn't it be great if you can use your homemade bread to make that French toast? They thought it would be very, very good. So that's what we're going to do today. Last night I made a loaf of homemade bread, just like I showed you on the video. And this morning, we're going to slice into it for the first time and make a couple slices of homemade French toast with it. It's going to be good, I promise you. So thank you for watching, and let's go to the kitchen. All right, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to make some French toast again. 2 eggs. Let's go ahead and get those cracked in there. Farm fresh eggs, nothing like them. Go ahead and whisk them up a little bit. A little bit of heavy cream. A little bit of ground cinnamon. Get that mixed up. Make it a little frothy. Gonna go ahead and cut our oven on. Got some salted butter. I use real butter in my French toast. And again, I had a request from one of my French toast video I got posted. I had a request to use the homemade bread. I also got a homemade bread video, so that's what we're going to do today. Go ahead and get that butter melted in our seasoned cast iron frying pan. Put that aside. So again, got a loaf of homemade bread. This is going to be the first cut on it. Cut that end off. Cut us a couple slices. Make our French toast. Isn't that nice right there? We're going to let that butter melt before we get started. Like I said before, this is going to be French toast made with homemade bread that we made. This is a request from one of my subscribers, so we're going to follow up on that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our bread, we're just going to dredge it in this egg solution here. Get it good and coated. Go ahead and place that in our frying pan with our melted butter. Get that start cooking a little bit. Let's go ahead and cut us one more piece. I think we got enough for one more slice in there. Ain't nothing like homemade bread, guys. And I can imagine if you make French toast with it, it's going to be really, really good. There we go. Got enough in there for 3 pieces. We'll go ahead and let that cook. Guys, we're going to go ahead and give her a flip. does look good. Get that a golden brown, get a little crust on it there. And get that mashed in a little bit. That smells really good. I had to flip this a time or two. Guys, if y'all watch any of my videos and you like content that I'm putting on there, drop me a comment down below. I'd like to hear from you. While you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. So all you want to get it is a nice golden brown, like that. Like it's like that on both sides. We're going to go ahead and plate it. I'm going to go ahead and put a little softened butter on that thing. Get it good and melted on there. And you can use any kind of syrup you want to use for this. Guys, gonna put a little pancake syrup on it. Like I said, you can use any kind of syrup you want. I know some of you guys probably want to drop a comment now about me putting too much syrup on pancakes. That's just how I like them. See what they taste like. Homemade bread used in making French toast. Oh, wow, that's a game changer right there. That's good. Nothing like some good old French toast, especially when you make it with some homemade bread. Really nice. Y'all need to try this, guys. French toast, homemade bread. Need to try it. It's going to be a game changer for you. Guys, if y'all like this video, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. Go down below and comment while you're down there. Hit that subscribe button. I'm a small channel, and we appreciate it. Until we see you again in the kitchen, but thank you for watching The Country Boy Cooks.